afternoon. And this afternoon, we're going to have a Dorian challenge. Let's see if my son, JJ, will like a Dorian. No? I didn't give you Dorian yet, but he says no. Oh my god. So guys, what do you think? You gonna like it? Or he doesn't gonna like it? So, this is a one Dorian, and I already get it, and it's like I open it and then I put it in here. So I already tested. It tastes so good. Smells so addicted. Well, most of the Filipino like Dorian anyway, and I hear some foreigners doesn't like it, but some do. Let's see if Gigi gonna like it. Are you ready? Here we go. Oh my god! Do you like it? Do you like it? You want more? You have a funny face. So, I don't know. Let's see. Oh my god! He's laughing! I think he doesn't like it. You don't like it? Oh, he doesn't like it. Let's see, one more. No! He said, yeah. He doesn't like it. Oh my god, my baby doesn't like Dorian. No, you see. No. He's so smart. He know. Because usually he eat everything. He ate even the sour mango. So, I don't know. The Dorian is sweet. Doesn't like it. Doesn't like it right. Oh, I know. You don't like it. Hi guys, if you want more videos, please like and subscribe to JJ's YouTube channel, and please don't forget to click the bell, so every time we're going to upload some videos, you will get notified. Bye! Say bye, baby. Bye! Thanks for watching. Bye!